Yo, what's up guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to use easybucks.gg. So I'm going to do some other sites, but yeah, this is how to use easybucks. So over here you got your earnings. How you earn is you go to easybucks.gg/earn, and then you go to any sources like source 1, source 2, source 3, and then you could download apps and do quizzes and surveys, stuff like that, and then you get Robux, and yeah, you do offers. Now you could do promo codes, you could do stuff with this. So like this thing, you could do any language. There's just lots of ads that pop up. It's okay, you could choose your language. Mine's in it's just Indonesian, so don't worry about that. You could choose languages, and then you could join their Discord, and you could join their Discord, I think, for exclusive promo codes and our 10,000 Robux giveaway. So you could do like referrals right here, and then you could do like links. I'm gonna copy that URL so you guys could get a 50% off, I guess. I don't really know. Or get some like free Robux if you click there. I'll do a link in the description. So and then if you go to promo codes here, you could redeem some codes. Don't worry about these ads that keep popping up. Now on the promo codes, you can do lots of promo codes. I redeem a lot, and as you can see, these are, you could enter promo codes, and really epic. And then yeah, if you wanna withdraw, that's the special thing. The most special thing is on withdraw. Now what you do is you do your amount. You have to have at least over 5 Robux, so you are required to have completed one offer in the past week. So it's in the past week, so you can do like one offer in each week, and then when that week has ended, you could do another offer, and over 5 Robux to be eligible to withdraw. You will get the group link. So what you do is you go, and actually I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So yeah. Well, watch this video if So guys, this is actually one of my videos. So actually, this is what will happen. Let's go do my quality right here. Let's do 480p. Now it's gonna be way better.
Like this.
Now it's gonna say you are eligible. Now it's issuing fatal error. You have to join the group, and you could copy that link in a laptop. I think, yeah, you can. I think. Or if you're on a phone, you could just write it down, or you could just remember in your head. And yeah, you join it, which I'll show you right now.
It says error.
Let's just see. So you just join the group, and then you'll actually just, yeah, you have to click it again. So when you join the group, you go back to the website, and then
guys, please help.
Redeem, and then withdraw, and then you get all Robux, as you can see, guys.
Oh, finally.
Legit. It's not clickbait.
Finally, guys,
you guys should watch this full video, right? I withdrew a ton of Robux from easybucks.gg. Just see in the section, like,
What? So wrong. Okay, I'll fix this.
Where is it? Like 2 weeks ago, I guess.
It says
I don't know.
Easybucks. Okay.
5 days ago. It's 5 days ago. So yeah, that's how to do it. Now if I finally get a group, I will do free Robux giveaways, like about, I guess, 10, 30, I don't know. But I don't really have that much Robux. So as you can see, 32 from the last time from the video. That's to prove if it's real. And 5 days ago, as you can see, guys, August 4th. And today is August 9th, I think. yeah, 4 days. I mean, 5 days ago, and you could actually see how much Robux you have withdrawn. And yeah, that's it for the video. Remember the referral link link in the description. There's also a leaderboard that you probably don't need to do right now. So yeah, like, subscribe, turn on all post notification bell to get notified, and yeah, I'll do some more tutorials each week, I guess. Next one, I guess I'll do Bucks.pro, because actually there's lots of promo codes too. So yeah, see you guys.